Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today again we have come up with a very interesting topic, that what is Korean to English translator? Korean to English translation is a language translation tool enabled by the Google Translation API. An online language translator provides easy access to an online translation services. Our free online Korean to English translation provide fast and accurate translation right in your hands. Please type a word or phrase that you will translate and our free translation tool will help you. If you have a very important project, in that case you need human translation. Therefore, hire professional translation services and get the fastest turnaround time in the industry and 100% accurate. Translation Korean to English is a third party service provided by Google, making all the translation direct and flexible. Korean online translation into English provide very easy access to the online translation services. This is the translation form include online translation services, English Korean, English to Korean, references dictionary for the text conversion services, spell checking software and many more. Let's discuss how does this website translate Korean words into English. Translate King uses the Google Translation application programming interface, which is an online language translator. This API uses Google's neural machine translation that can translate sentences into 100 plus languages. It is the most accurate and widely used tool among all other language translation tools. Very important question is like, who can use this free Korean online translator to English? This Korean online translator can be used for professional and commercial purposes. It can be used to translate one language into another while chatting online and gaining basic language knowledge by a person. Although professionals such as content writer, bloggers, and those who are not comfortable with typing in English can commercially use it as a Korean to English online typing software. This is important of changing language for a Korean speaker. According to Wikipedia, the Korean language is spoken by 77.2 million people worldwide. It is widely spoken in Korea, therefore, translation is important for those people who are more comfortable writing in Korean and who want to convey their feelings to other people who speak the language. The following are the some of the feature of the free Korean to English translator, that is free translation, easy to use, copy and download the translated text, send text with the single click, language switch with one click. Now discuss what you can look for the Korean translator app. First, you will want to take the time to test a few and see if they meet your needs. Are you learning Korean to go to the Korea, or are you trying to gain a deeper knowledge of the language of reading books? Is your main goal is to use Korea media or talk to the local people? One key caveat: avoid learning on translator app. Now let's discuss, is Google Translator accurate? No, it is not 100% accurate as a professional translator because it uses a neural machine translation to read user input. Typed sentence and translated text are stored on the Google website and returned in the form of responses if you need it. Although the tool brings excellent translation that can help you get a basic idea of your questions. Now let's discuss, is this a free translation? Then answer is yes. However, we have the following limitation: application limit. At any time you can transfer up to 5,000 requests, but you can submit most of these requests. There is also a daily limit. I hope guys this information is beneficially for you about the translation. If it is so, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe our channel, that is 24 into 7 offshoring.com. And for more detailed video or reading, you can visit to our company website and go to the blog section. That's it for the today's video. Soon we will meet the with the very interesting topic. Till then, you can have the knowledge about the other topic also by visiting our company website or our channel in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video with us. Take care. Bye bye.